Ayan, fantastic morning. Hello. Parang may foreigner tayo. Kailangan ba mag-English? Hello. Ayan, no, please type naman pagka may ano tayo diyan. May guest tayo na non-Filipino para mag-adjust tayo ng konti. Meron ba Rio? Parang may katabi ka Rio. Ayan, so fantastic morning everybody. No, welcome to our revolutionary business advantage. Na nabubulol tuloy ako, no? Pa-type na lang, no? Type na pag may kasama kayong foreigner, para kailangan ba natin mag-English? Kailangan ba natin mag-English? Ayan, no? So, fantastic morning sa lahat. Kumusta kayo? No? Pwede kayong mag-unmute. You can unmute, no? Meaning, ito type ka, Barrio. Ayan, no? You can unmute, no? And, pa-share naman kung nasan kayo nanonood ng ating RBA today. No? Kung nasan kayo sa Dubai or Abu Dhabi. May guess ba tayo from other countries? Other countries. English, light English. Okay. Ayan. So is that a guest, Rio? Or a member? And a fantastic morning. So welcome. Welcome to our Revolutionary Business Advantage. So yeah, so you can unmute and tell me where you are watching today. Uh, fantastic morning, Juliet. Fantastic morning. Where are you? House po, no? Still working. Wow, Diggs, we're still working. Yeah, and how about the others? No? Fantastic morning. So we're gonna slight English today. Okay? So, buti na lang may baon tayo, no? So fantastic morning. Ayan na. So welcome, welcome, welcome. No, we're very excited to have this revolutionary business advantage, no, sa UAE time. Ayan, no. So in this presentation, you will learn all about iFern, why this is the business na the best sa panahon na ito. And you will learn about the products and how to earn, no, kahit nasa bahay lang, just finish eating shawarma. Wow, sarap naman, no? So, kahit na FB lang and Zoom lang. And ako nga pala, no, I am Marky Cadiz, so Senior Field Vice President in iFern, and I was an no? IT consultant. I am an IT consultant by profession, and I have been working for 18 years before, and right now I am uh, full-time in iFern. So later I'm gonna tell you more, no, more why you should join iFern. So grabe, no, be excited. Later after the whole presentation, I will tell you more on how we reach this, no, and what happened to our lives because of iFern. So before we start, uh, no, a little house rules only, no. While presentation is ongoing, no, keep your mic on mute, and reserve all your questions and list them down. We will sure to entertain them after the presentation. And of course, nandito ka na din lang, no? Keep an open mind and an open heart, no? Kasi we believe that your time, no, is very important, and you are here for a reason. Okay? You are here for a reason, and listen intently, no? Just process everything. Okay? And believe me, no, this presentation may change your life. Okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay? So ayan, no, just let me just pull up my chat. So our speaker, no, grabe na, is an OFW. Is an OFW since 2008. Okay? She is an accountant by profession of a foreign company, no, finance. Okay? So 2014 real estate investor, international property consultant, and 2019 a rental business owner. And just recently, no, 2020 became an iFern member. Is already an associate and a Jordan Club member. Okay? And let us all welcome um Nenet Garcia. Ayan.
Ay, fantastic morning po.
And ay, fantastic morning, upline.
Yes po, salamat po, Upline Marky. Ako po yung mag-share po ng ating, Marky, naka-disable po ako sa screen share. Pahiram po. Kamusta po ang lahat? Kamusta po ang work?
And good evening from Alain, Tita L.
Good evening po, Tita L.
Good evening po from Kiko.
Yan po. Pa-type na lang po ng 1 kung nakikita na po yung ating screen. Wait lang po. Saan siya? Yan. Okay. Since nandito na po tayo, ang i-introduce ko po sa inyo ay ang ating company that we are calling iFern. Ang iFern po stands for International Filipino Entrepreneurs Resources Network. And yung ating pong company ay more than 20 years na siyang nag-ooperate. We are focusing on the multi-level marketing industry from the makers of Ferncy. So kung nakikilala niyo po si Ferncy, so same company po, same owner po, si iFern Corporation. We are a 2 billion peso company in the Philippines, and we have created already 700 self-made millionaires. Kaya po nakakabaliw kay iFern. And meet po natin ang ating CEO and President of iFern Corporation, Mr. Tumani Tan. He is a graduate of BS Computer Science at De La Salle University. He is also holding Master's degree of Entrepreneurship from Asian Institute of Management. He was awarded during 2012 as the PLDT MVP Bossing Awardee. He was also awarded the same year as the Ernest & Young Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year. During 2017, from 2017 to present, si Sir Tumanitan po ay ating mentor with the Go Negosyo Kapatid. It's actually a non-government organization, pero po since sa pagmamahal po sa ating mga Filipinos ni Sir Tumanitan, he is sharing his experience in businesses. During 2021 din po, Sir Tumanitan was awarded as People of the Year from People Asia Magazine. His personal mission, the company's mission, is to sharing prosperity globally through entrepreneurship. So dito po sa libro ng Go Negosyo, number 39 po ang ating CEO. So ang ka-level po niya dyan ay ang mga owners and business owners and CEOs po ng malalaking companies like Jollibee, Tanduay, real estate developer like Manny Villar for Vistaland, kung nakikilala niyo po siya. And same level po sila ng mga Sabel de Ayala family. So, ongoing po ang kanilang mentorship since 2017. And we are honored being also a mentee of Sir Tumanitan here in Dubai. And also, proudly presenting to you po the product Ferndy. Nakuha po natin ang Brand of the Year for 5 consecutive years from Kensington Palace. And also, we are also the recipient of 2023-2024 World Branding Awards with along with the Tanduays among the winners. So, ibig sabihin po, napakaganda po talaga ng ating product. Itong award pong ito ay hindi po nabibili. Ibig sabihin po ng award na ito, it's a fast-moving product po. Kasi po, kaya po tayo napili as Brand of the Year is we have millions of consumers. And then, ito po ang ating mga brands. Ang ating Fern Active, Milka, Ferndy, Fernflex. Lahat po yan ay listed po sa ating memes. Ang memes po, ibig sabihin po nito, ito po yung references ng ating mga pharmacists and doctors sa pagbibigay po ng prescription sa kanila pong mga pasyente. So, ibig sabihin, FDA approved po tayo and we are also halal certified products. So, pwede rin po nating i-share ang ating products sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim. Our product partners, ang ating pong suppliers of our vitamins is coming from Switzerland, which is under the company of DSM, and Glanbia from USA. So, lahat po ng ating mga products are sealed Quali-C, Quali-D, Quali-Blends, and TrueCal. Moving forward po, ang ating pong kumpanya, meron po tayong head office, company-owned building at, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. We also have our own Fern warehouse na matatagpuan po sa Mandaluyong, and our laboratories are with Hison Laboratories sa Antipolo City. So, kumpleto po tayo sa mga licenses and compliances with the Department of Health, Food and Drug Administration, Securities and Exchange Commission, and BIR. And proudly, we are the biggest taxpayer sa lungsod po ng Pasig. And proudly, we are sharing with you that the Y office already opened in Port Said, Deira, Dubai. You can find it on the office 105, first floor of Centurion Star Tower B. Yeah. Okay, now we are presenting our main flagship products, the Power Trio. The first one po, we are presenting the Fern Active. Fern Active is for increasing the energy levels for active lifestyle, enhances our mental alertness, boosts the immune system, anti-stress, and has 8 vitamins and minerals. Next to Fern Active, the Milka, TrueCal, calcium from milk. This can be taken by people with lactose intolerance. This calcium that is easily absorbed for optimum bone health and also prevents osteoporosis. Actually, Milka contains the calcium from real milk. So even if you are lactose intolerant, you can still take this one, but you will not have any upset stomach. And aside from the calcium, the milk also has potassium and magnesium. That is also will be helpful in actually helps the absorption of the vitamin D. So now we are proud to present the best, the most potent vitamin D, Fern D. Fern D is used or it supplements to strengthen the bones and muscles. It also helps boost our immunity and the risks of fall and fractures. Actually, the vitamin D, which is, they call it the sunshine, is good for the heart, and it's like a happy hormone. So if you notice, every time you go out and have sun exposure, you feel happy. So we feel the same effect with Fern D. And it's all recommended for all ages from 0 age. So even 0 age babies can take this Fern D. And again, I will repeat, we are Brand of the Year awardee. We are FDA approved. We have Quali Blends, Quali D, and TrueCal seal and Halal seal. The Fern D benefits have a lot of help. Actually, it helps 300 metabolic functions. It actually corrects whatever is hormonal imbalance we have. So it prevents and treats cancer, diabetes, mainly like stroke, hypertension, autoimmune system, and a lot more. Just to share with you for a little bit of background, I also had a stroke last year, exactly March 22 of 2023. And because of me taking this iFern Trio, Power Trio for since 2020, I was able to recover very fast. My neuro was very, very proud of my recovery. And now you cannot notice the effects or the side effects of my stroke. So I was able to come back to my regular lifestyle because of these effective supplements. Also, for the Fern Active, this prevents and treats fatigue, infertility, depression, heart and vision problems, mood disorders, memory loss, dementia, also the same, autoimmune system and varicose veins. The third product we have is the Milka. This prevents and treats osteoporosis, brittle bones and nails, teeth discoloration, muscle cramps, poor appetite, insomnia, skin dryness, bone fractures, regulate blood pressure, and a lot more. Also, actually, the vitamin D, I'll go back to Fern D. We had this experience of bleeding gums, and what our dentist suggested is to take vitamin D. So, yon, that's a good takeaway for vitamin D. Also, we are proud to present to you the Fern Flex, which is the joint collagen. These are recommended for those having active lifestyle, for those athletic people, and for those people normally doing the gym, like running, and so it helps build up or create collagen inside our around our joints. As we age, normally it actually decreases and causes for the friction between our bones. So this joint collagen is a really good help and really effective. Taking like 2 to 5 days, you will feel the difference na po. Also, we have this F collagen. This is a collagen drink, no sugar, no flavor. So you can add to any favorite drink you want, any food you want. And this is good for your healthy hair, healthy nails, and good skin. And the next will be our Aurora products for skincare. The best one, actually, my favorite here is the Aurora soap, which has triple A. It has actually natural Swiss apple stem cell, aloe vera, and argan oil. The same with our Aurora lotion. So it has also triple A. It is made from Swiss apple stem cell, aloe vera, and argan oil. So we also have as konting additional what's this key for Aurora soap. For those having dry skin, this is very effective. For very sensitive skin, also very effective. For falling hair, since it has aloe vera, natural aloe vera extract, so you can use this as replacement over your shampoo. And for the Aurora lotion, this is also created to be insect repellent. So replacement of of lotion, you can use this Aurora lotion to keep those mosquitoes or insects away from you. And my most favorite is the eye cream for those who are having difficulty sleeping or light sleeper. So this eye cream will help remove your eye bags, your dark circles. And then after putting on eye cream, then the face serum, which we call as the Botox in a bottle. So all your crow lines, your wrinkles, it will be lifted up, it will be erased for instant. Like when you applied it, you try it on half of your face, it will effect immediately. It has all niacinamide, all naturals, all organic. Okay, let's go back. So that concludes the company and the products of our iFern company. Now I would like to introduce the next speaker. The next speaker is an OFW also since 2008. He is an electrical engineer by profession. He was actually before a duty manager in Abu Dhabi Airport. 2014, when he started his real estate investing, and then 2014, he was awarded as an international property sales manager. 2019, he started his rental businesses and became an iFern member during 2020 when he lost his job. So to make, I will transfer the stage now to Mr. Paul Garcia.
Hello, hello. Hi, fantastic morning.
Hi, fantastic morning.
So, napakaganda po ng mga product, di po ba? Ngayon, i-discuss ko naman kung paano tayo kikita kay iFern. Okay? So, kay iFern, meron tayong tatlong packages. Una, yung basic consumer, tapos reseller, tapos premium business. Yung basic consumer, isang product package lang siya. Tapos yung reseller, 3. And then premium, 7 product packages. Okay? Sa basic consumer, ang laman niya is, ayan, isang Perndy, isang na 60 gels, and then isang 120, ayan, and so on. And then reseller, ayan. So habang dumalaki yung packages, dumadami yung laman ng bawat packages. So once naging distributor ka once kumuha ka ng packages, magiging distributor ka na ni iFern, then magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong dashboard. So we'll discuss that more later. And then, ito na yung 6 ways of earning kay iFern. First is retail sales. Retail sales, ibig sabihin na ito yung magbebenta-benta lang tayo ng product ni iFern. For example, Perndy, 60s. Pwede mo siyang, mabibili mo siya kung distributor ka na ng 40 dirhams, tapos mabebenta mo siya ng 65 dirhams. Yan. And then second is yung fast start commission. Ito, by package na ang bebenta natin. So kada package, for example, basic package, meron kagad commission na 34 dirhams. Tapos kung reseller naman, 102, and premium, 238. Tapos, si iFern, pinadali na yung, mas lalo niyang pinadali yung business natin. For example, wala tayong pangpuhunan, pwede na rin natin na gamitin yung ating credit card or tabi. Or sa office cashier payment. Yan. And then, yung pangatlo, team sales commission. So every cycle na Team sales commission. Okay. So sa team sales commission, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung member, i-invite ka lang ng kagaya mo, tapos ilagay mo siya sa left, tapos kung may ma-invite ka pa ulit na isa, ilagay mo siya sa right. So magkakaroon ka ng isang cycle, tapos magkakaroon ka ng commission, team sales commission na 107. Ang kagandahan nito, since team sales nga, team nga siya, so hindi lang ikaw ang gagawa nito. Kumbaga yung na-invite mo, tapos may na-invite din siya, so magkakaroon ng cycle yon, pasok pa rin sa iyo yon. So business conclusion, kung gagawin mo rin lang yung business, so pinakamaganda yung premium business package. Bakit? For example, sa Jollibee, for example, sa franchise ng Jollibee, kung meron kang 7 na branches, so mas malaki yung kita. So parang ganito din kay iFern. Kung meron kang 7 accounts, which is yung premium business package, mas malaki yung kita mo. So ito naman yung mabilis na computation. For example, kumuha ka nga ng 7 packages, tapos yung first level mo, kumuha din ng tig 7 accounts, ang kita mo na agad doon is 2,800 dirhams. Tapos ganun din yung sa second level mo, kumuha din sila ng tig 7 packages, 9,800 dirhams. Tapos sa third level, ganyan, 32,545 dirhams. Tapos meron kaming tinatawag na family package, which is ito limang 7 packages, which is kagaya namin, naka-family package na kami. So halimbawa, sa first level mo, kumuha din sila ng family package, meron ka agad na 13,018 dirhams. Tapos sa second level mo, 45,563. So bawi-bawi mo na agad siya. Ang pang-apat naman nakitaan is rewards and incentives. Parang sa corporate world, merong promotion. So ganun din dito kay iFern. So from distributor, mapopromote ka as associate, then builder, then team builder. So doon ka na magkakaroon ng incentives. Cash yan, kasi yung ibibigay, which is 1,250. Field manager, 3,125. Field vice president, 5,625, and so on. Kung 7 accounts. Kada accounts pala, halimbawa 7 accounts ka, 7 times ka rin na mapopromote. Kada account mo pwedeng ma-promote at makakuha ng incentives. Okay? And then, yung pang PIP, ways of earning, which is the group sales rebate, ito parang passive income na lang to. Lahat ng downline mo na gumagamit ng mga nagtututbrush, nagsasabon, so meron kang certain percentage na papasok sa'yo, which is from 2.52% to 5%. And then, yung last is yung big picture na ni iFern. Ibig sabihin, marami ka nang na-create na team sa team mo. Okay, so actually ganun lang kabilis. Tapos na po tayo. Tapos na po yung presentation ko. Pero dyan po muna kayo. Meron pa po tayong speaker. Pakilala ko lang po siya. Dati po siyang IT consultant for 18 years. Nag-try din po ng traditional business, pero unluckily hindi rin po naging successful. Now kaya nag-try sila mag-iFern. He's also a Jordan and Hypebeast Club member, Elite Toy Club member, LB Club member, Rolex Club member, Luxury Car Club member, Mini Cooper, Mercedes-Benz Millionaires Club member. So wag na po nating patagalin. Please help me welcome Senior Field Vice President Marky Cadiz.
Ayan, ay fantastic morning. No? Thank you to Power Couple. Ayan. So, grabe, no? Grabe yung ating marketing plan, yung company, 'di ba? So, ayan, no? So, ay fantastic morning sa lahat, no? May mga questions ba kayo sa ating napakagandang presentation? No? So, actually tapos na tayo, no? Mag-share lang ako ng konti, no, kung bakit napakaganda ng ating iFern business. Ayan. So, let me just share my screen para lang makita ninyo, 'di ba? Makita ninyo kung ano nga ba no yung sinasabi ko na kagandahan, no? Kagandahan ng ating iFern business. Ayan. So, please, no, please type 1 if you can see my screen. Ayan, no? Grabe, no? Yung Power Couple, Upline Paul, and Upline Net, no? Just to share, no? Sila po ay top distributor for the month of May, no? So, palakpakan natin. Grabe, no? On their first month back, no? First month back, top distributor agad sila, no? So here's what happened, no, to us so in our journey for iFern. So, sabi nga, no, ni Upline Paul, no, we were IT consultant by profession. No, ako po 18 years, my wife is 12 years, no, IT consultant. Maganda po yung sweldo, no, pero sinubukan po namin mag-iFern, no. So mamaya ko kwento kung bakit, no. So dati po kami may mga businesses, no. Actually, yung school naman is my family business, no. Travel agency is still ongoing. Pero nag-try kami ng food business and spa business and napakahirap po pala, no, magnegosyo na wala kang malalim na bulsa. Okay? So, wag na po pag-usapan yung mahirap na negosyo. Pag-usapan na lang po natin yung mas magandang negosyo, no? Bakit iFern? Ayan, no? So, kung nakita niyo po sa aking screen, no, ang Rockstars po, no, is a team under me, no, sa buong organization ko. It's already 12,000, no, people under. Okay? Ang income, total income under this organization is already 80 million, no? Not updated yung slide, no? 80 million and counting. Ayan. So, in doing iFern, no? Part-time and full-time, no? We are both na senior field vice president, me and my wife, no? So, ibig po sabihin, pareho na po kaming may bonus, no? Lahat po nadaan namin, team builder bonus, field manager bonus, field vice president bonus, and senior field vice president. And we're very excited na maging presidential directors na rin, no, in the coming months. Ayan, no. So in iFern po, no, we bought our first house, no. This is our first house in Las Piñas, no. That's 6 point something million, no. And also, no, dito namin na experience, no, magkaroon ng Rolex. Ayan, no, nasaan ba yung Rolex ko? Hindi pala suot. Ayan. Kailangan isuot pala. Ayan, nasuot natin. Ayan. So, dito ko din na-experience no, magsuot ng Rolex. Na flex lang natin, no? Ayan. So, it's almost 1 million, no? Tig-isa kami ni wifey. And grabe, no? Dito din namin na-experience in iFern, no? Nagkaroon kami ng 2 luxury car. Okay? So, 6 months pagkatapos namin mabili yung bahay, nakabili naman po kami ng red na car na to, no? It's a Mini Cooper. No? It's a 3.1 million na kotse, no? Never namin pinangarap na, no, kasi maganda na po yung sasakyan namin, naka-Montero po kami, napaganda po ng Montero, no, pero nakasakay kami ng Mini Cooper, iba din pala talaga, no, pag sinabing luxury car. And 1 year, no, 1 year after namin nagkaroon ng Mini Cooper, we bought our Mercedes-Benz, no, Mercedes-Benz. And ayan, no, ang hindi na namin inaasahan pa, no, right now, no, we are living, no, in a very, very nice, no, a subdivision in Pasig, no, Valle Verde. Ayan, no, so yan po yung nangyari sa amin, no, doing iFern right now, no, kaya sobrang excited po kami na i-share and sobrang excited kami na sa Dubai naman, no, magpalaki ng grupo. Ayan, no. So ano ba yung sinasabi kong grupo na palakihin, no? So right now, no, almost 9 million na po yung kinita namin, almost 9.5 million, almost 10 million na, no? Almost 10 million na. And eto na po yung ating mga grupo, no? This is our biggest group in Tacloban, no? Our first group, no, na lumaki ng sobra, no? Mapapansin nyo, these are leaders, no, na every month lumuluwas ng Manila, no, from Tacloban riding airplane, no, para lang mag-attend ng big event, no? Kasi talagang energetic sila, no, and energized pag nag-a-attend ng event. And in that group, no, we created 8 millionaires already. O, di ba? Sabi ni Sisnet kanina, no? The day that iFern has created 700 millionaires, no? Sa Tacloban, we created 8 millionaires. Okay? Ang good news diyan, ang kilala ko lang po yung naka-pink. Okay? So hindi po kailangan kilala nyo lahat. Okay? Yung naka-pink lang po yung nakilala ko and na-invite niya na po lahat-lahat ng ito. Okay? So ibang kwento na po 'yon. Siya na po bahala magkwento. But in total, no, yung 8 na tao na to earned 20 million pesos. 'Di ba? Grabe, 'di ba? So, of course, no, hindi natin kaya tayo nandito, kaya tayo tonight, no, nasa Dubai. It's already actually 1 a.m. in the Philippines, no. So nasa Philippines po ako, wala po ako sa Dubai. And kaya po ako nandito kasi gustong-gusto po, I'm very excited, no, na sa Dubai naman tayo magpalaki, no. Tayo naman kumuha ng 20 million pesos sa Dubai, no. Gusto nyo ba 'yon, Dubai and Abu Dhabi, no? Of course, no, hindi po tayo nagsisimula lang ngayon as zero. Okay? Meron na po tayong Millionaires Club sa international. Of course, no? Ito, no, si Upline Gladys, no, nasa Abu Dhabi siya ngayon, no, dating OFW from Abu Dhabi, nagbalik ng Abu Dhabi, no, just to be a business woman, no? Nagkakalat na lang ng iFern, no, sa Abu Dhabi, no? So currently, no, nasa 3.5 million pesos na po ang tama, mga 3.6, no? Kasi not updated daw. Mga 3.6, 3.7. Almost 4 million na po yung kinita ni Upline Gladys. 'Di ba? And yung kanyang kaibigan, isang nurse, no? Field manager na din, no? Sai, 1.2 million, no? Ito, si Upline Glenn, no? Kapatid ni Upline Gladys, no? Na kapatid ng asawa ni Paul, ayan, no? Nalilito ako sa, ano, no? Sa connection, no? Pero si Hannah, kapatid ni Paul. Ayan, no? So, yung asawa ni Glenn. No? Si Glenn naman is nasa Singapore. Okay? Millionaires Club na din. And of course, no, si Grace, no? Upline Grace is a nurse also and a field manager naman na nasa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Okay? So, ibig po sabihin, no? May mga millionaires na po tayo dyan. Hindi po tayo nagsisimula as scratch. No? Ang ating office lang, kaka-open lang, pero before pa nag-open, may mga members na po. And of course, no, hindi lang po tayo magkaroon ng Luxury car, madami pa nagka-Luxury car, no? Yung naka-pink kanina, Upline Upline MJ nasa gitna, no? Hindi ko kilala si Upline MJ sa simula, ang kilala ko talaga si Upline Efren, yung asawa niya. O, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin, no, itong negosyong to, no, hindi importante kung sino lang yung kilala mo. Magugulat ka na lang na yung kilala ng kilala ng kilala ng kilala mo, sila pala, no, yung talagang gustong-gusto magbago yung buhay. Oh, 'di ba? So itong si Upline MJ, kilala niya si Upline Maricris, no? Ngayon naka Mini Cooper na din, no? Si Upline Gladys, no, hindi ko din kilala. Actually, ang nag-invite sa kanya si Glenn, hindi ko din kilala. Tapos yung nag-invite kay Glenn, no? Hindi ko din kilala pero kilala ng asawa ko. So ganyan nagwo-work, no, ganyan yung magic ng network marketing. Ganyan yung magic ng iFern. And of course, no, eto, no, Upline, meron din tayong mga Mercedes-Benz, so Upline Benjic, okay? CDO distributor, naka Mercedes-Benz. So, syempre hindi ko din to kilala. Kilala to ng grupo ni Upline MJ, no, sa Tacloban naman. And si Robin Chan, no, ayan, no, nakilala lang ni wife sa online. Okay, and isang businessman ngayon naka Mercedes-Benz na din. Ayan, no? So, yan po yung nangyari sa amin, nangyari sa grupo namin, and excited na excited akong mangyari sa grupo ninyo. And syempre, no, tonight hindi ako papayag, no, na hindi makapag-share, no, yung aking deepest why. Ayan, no? Yung aking deepest why, andiyan ka na ba? Upline, Carly? Ayan, no, syempre, no, gusto ko lang muna tawagin, no, si Upline Carly bago ako magtuloy mag-share, no, si-share niya lang kung ano nangyari, no, sa kanyang iFern journey and ano yung excitement niya doing iFern. Yan, Upline Carly, nandiyan ka na ba? Parang naputol yata
Yes,
si Upline.
fantastic morning.
Yan.
Malinaw ba?
Yes. Clear. Ang ganda nyo po. Pwede pong pa-fan sign.
Ay, sorry, taken na. Ayan, ay fantastic morning. Ano? May slide po ba? Hello? Ayan.
Kailangan mag-share ka na lang offline.
Ayan, ay fantastic morning. Meron po ba tayong mga guests for tonight? Para ma-shout
Parang
out naman natin. Ayan.
siya yata may guest eh. Pero ano siya, non-Filipino. And of course, no, may guest din tayo from Bahrain. iFern Bahrain is plugging in, no? So ang
Oo
ating
nga eh.
kapitan.
Yes, ayan. So sige, ay fantastic morning. Ayan, so sana malinaw po, nasa labas po ako ngayon. Ayan. So, thank you so much no sa ating Power Rising, 'di ba? Power couples from Dubai. Ayan, upline call and upline net. Siyempre, top distributor yan sa first month ng kanilang pagbabalik. Kaya pagbabalik loob sa iFern. 'Di ba? Ganyan kaganda po yung negosyo natin, no? Kahit na medyo naglaylo sila, 'di ba? Pagbalik nila, 'di ba? Pwedeng-pwede pa rin nila simulan sa iFern, and mas maganda pa no yung binalikan nila, 'di ba? And ayan, so sa Arya and Chloe. Hi, welcome to our presentation. Ayan, so yun, so nakwento naman na ni Upmarket, no, we were previously employed po as an IT consultant for 18 years and 12 years, and nag-venture din po sa mga business. And unfortunately, no, yung mga business po na sinimula namin is hindi siya naging successful. And as we all know po, no, pag nagnegosyo tayo, malaking kapital po, no, yung nilalabas po natin dyan. Kailangan ko ba mag-English? Kasi meron tayong foreigner. Ayan. So, anyway, ayun nga, no. So, nung nakita ko po si iFern, no, hindi po ako believer ng industry na to. So, isa po akong negative, no, negative sa network marketing industry. But then, no, nung na-try ko po yung products and nag-work po siya sa akin, nawala po yung asthma ko because of the Power Trio. So, sabi ko, why not gawin natin part-time, no? So, we started po as part-time until after a year, nung natapatan na po yung sweldo namin as an IT programmer, ayan, we decided to do iFern full-time. And until now po, no, ito na po talaga yung ginagawa po namin. And of course, gusto po namin yun nga, ma-experience nyo din po, no, kung ano yung mga na-achieve namin dito sa iFern while doing the business. Kaya po tayo nandito ngayon sa Dubai. Ayan, so nandito ako since April 21, April 22. Ayan, so supposed to be 2 weeks lang po, no, yung stay ko. Ayan, inabot na po tayo ng June. Malapit na ako mag-birthday. Ayan, because no, we want to support,
Di
'di ba?
na uwi
Syempre,
yan.
lalo yung mga yeah, we want to support, of course, no, lalo yung mga bago po, no, dito. And we're so happy nga, 'di ba, dahil sila nagkaroon tayo ng top distributor, no, dito sa Dubai. Ayan, so ayan, yung journey po namin, yun nga, nag-start kami part-time hanggang sa naging full-time na po siya, and lahat ng naikwento po ni Upline Marky, no, na-achieve po namin because of this business. And our goal right now po, you know, is uh, to na mapalaki po, no, yung ating team dito sa UAE. Ayan, and yung mga nandito, I believe is lahat, 'di ba, from UAE. So, kung nagawa po namin sa no sa Pilipinas, at nagawa po namin, no, dun sa mga members po namin, no, na kumita rin ng milyon, no, magkaroon din ng luxury car, no, meron na rin po tayong presidential director under us, 'di ba? Kung nagawa po namin yun sa kanila, ibig sabihin kaya rin po natin yan gawin sa inyo, 'di ba? We already have the system, no, ituturo na lang po at gagawin na lang po natin. Ayan, and nandito po kami no to help you na ma-achieve no yung mga goals po natin dito kay iFern. So, ayan. So, upline Marky, ano bang hindi ko alam na sharing ako.
Ayan, upline. Okay na.
Nandiyan ka
Good
pa
luck.
ba? Ayan, so, yun. So, I hope po, no, ayan, magsasalita pa naman si Upline Marky. I hope na, ayan, no, sabay-sabay po tayo, no, na umangat, no, na umangat, magbago ang buhay, no, yumaman po dito sa business na to. Lalo na po, no, again, the opportunity po sa buong UAE, sobrang laki. No, kung nagawa po yan sa Pilipinas, na sinasabi po sa Pilipinas, wala pong pera yung mga Pilipino, di ba? Sa Pinas. Pero ang dami po nating naging distributors, no? Ang dami nating naging ang dami pong kumita habang nasa Pilipinas. What more po no dito sa UAE, no, na halos lahat na po ng lahi nandito. So pwede po natin yan lahat no kausapin at maging prospect and makasama po no dito sa ating business. Ayan. So again, thank you so much and ayan, back to you, Upline Marky.
Ayan, ay fantastic morning. Thank you, Upline Carly, no? So, gusto ko lang sabihin din, no, na sobrang mahina pa kayo UAE. Ayan, no? Mahina pa kayo UAE. Bakit, no? Hindi nyo pa kaya magpa-pay in ng 1.8 million. Ayan, no, kasi sa Pilipinas may nagpa-pay in ng 1.8 million, no? Last time, no, in one day sa Mindanao may dalawang nag-pay in ng 1.8 million. And just imagine kung gaano kahirap ang Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Sabi nila mahirap ang Pilipino, no? Pero may nagpe-pay in ng 1.8 million. So ibig sabihin kung mayaman ang UAE, this is a challenge, guys, no? Kaya niyo magpa-pay in, no, ng 1.8 million, no? So thank you, Upline Carly, and bago ako magtapos, magkukwento lang ako ng konti, no? So sa mga gusto nang umalis, okay lang. Ayan, no? Pero grabe, no? Gusto ko lang i-share, no, kung bakit napakaganda ng negosyong ito. Kaya kapit lang, no, mga kaibigan, 15 minutes na lang. Just 15 minutes more, no? I will try to English a little bit, no, for our foreign guest. Ayan. So why iFern? Okay, why iFern? No, bakit kami in love sa iFern? Why are we doing iFern and why are we, no, successful in iFern, no? Because in iFern, no, we have very successful product partners, no, or corporate partners. Ayan, no. So alam naman natin, no, we all know, no, that big brands only partner with big brands, 'di ba? So ito ang ating mga partners, no. We are partners with Nike, no, Jordan, Manila, Catz Motors for Mercedes-Benz, no. Kaya madami po tayong Mercedes-Benz club members. I'm part of Mercedes-Benz club member. We are almost 40 na Mercedes-Benz club owners, Mercedes-Benz owners, no? Tessera, official jewelry of the artistas, no? We are also partners with, we are owners, no? Part owners of Frutas Holdings. So iFern is part owners of Frutas. So this is a well-known shake, no? Fruit shake brand in the Philippines. So Samsung, of course, no? Kilala niyo naman ang Samsung. Mini Cooper, ayan, no? Upline Carly is a mini lady. No? There are already 71 mini ladies, no, in the Philippines. Ayan, no? And Bello, Secret Fresh, no? Louis Vuitton, we are VVIP, no? AutoHub is the owner of the distributor of Mini Cooper in the Philippines. Okay, so grabe, no? These are big brands in the Philippines and they are partnering with iFern, 'di ba? Grabe, 'di ba? So, I would like lang to share, no, bakit ba napakahirap, no, ng traditional business compared sa iFern. No? Bakit ba madali, no? Bakit ba madali si iFern, no? So, if you can take a look at my slide, no? Kung papansinin nyo, traditional business versus iFern, no? Business permit. Ayan, no? Sa traditional business, no? We have annual renewal ng business permit. Diba? Napakasaklap nito sa Philippines every year, no? Nag-renew ka, bayad ka ng bayad, no? Kahit actually hindi ka kumita ng isang buong taon, kailangan pa din magbayad, no? So, sa isang business, I think it will take you 20,000, no, para sa business renewal, 'di ba? Just imagine that. In iFern po, no, wala ka nang kailangan bayaran, no, kasi iFern provided na ang inyong business permit. Ayan, no? So, in a traditional business din, ang capitalization is very intensive. Okay, sa iFern, no, if you are gonna take a family package, almost 300,000 lang. 'Di ba? Inventory, ayan, no? Napaka-importante, no, ng inventory sa sa negosyo, 'di ba? Kailangan palit ka ng palit, no? Kailangan constant yung inventory mo kasi kung wala kang inventory, wala kang ibebenta. Ang good news sa iFern, no, kung nag-family package ka, may inventory ka na that to last, no, your iFern life, no, kasi papalit-palitan mo lang, iikot mo lang 'yan. Okay? So bad order, no, especially pag pagkain, pag nagluto ka, no, tas hindi na nabili, no, tapon na 'yon, no. Sa iFern ang maganda, no, 2 years po yung expiration ng ating products. Okay? So ibig sabihin, no, madali siyang ibenta, hindi napapanis. Okay? So accounts receivable, no, ang daming utang pagka negosyo, no, sa iFern po, no, hindi na tayo nagpapautang. Yan, no. Operating expense, okay? Operating expense, no. Sa traditional business, no, lifetime po, no, kailangan mo ng operating expense. Every month may binabayaran, 'di ba? Babayad ka ng renta, babayad ka ng tao, babayad ka ng training, no. Sa iFern po, walang operating expense. Ang pinaka-operating expense mo na lang internet, nag-i-internet ka naman, no? Like this, bayad naman buwan-buwan yun dahil gumagamit tayo ng internet, di ba? Kumakain ka naman pag lumabas ka, di ba? Namamasahe ka, di ba? So, zero actually operating expense. So, lagi mo nang ginagamit, di ba? And of course, no risk. Ito yung pinakamalupit pag negosyo yung pinag-uusapan. Gaano ba kalaki ang risk sa iFern, no? Gaano ba ang risk sa traditional business, no? Good news, no? Yung di namin na-share kanina, no? Yung nagpatayo ng spa si Mrs., no? I think ang capitalization nila diyan is 1 million. Alam ko 1 million, no? I don't
1.5 tatlo kami.
500,000 per share, no, yung kanilang capitalization, no? So ibig sabihin risk 'yon, no? Bakit? Bakit siya risk? Kasi, no, after 3 months, no, nagka-COVID. Okay, sarado po. Wala na pong nagpapa-manicure. Ibig sabihin po, yung 1.5 million, wala na po. No, kasi bumili ka ng mga equipment, 'di ba? Kung ano-anong mga pinagbibili mo para sa negosyo, hindi mo naman siya mabebenta at value. And actually, nung panahon na yun, wala nga bumibili. No, so yung 1.5 million, ang tawag na lang doon is experience, 'di ba? Grabe, 'di ba? Ang mahal na experience. 1.5 million po yung experience niya sa pagnenegosyo. O, 'di ba? Sa iFern po, 0. Bakit? Kasi po yung binili mong produkto, ginagamit niyo po araw-araw. 'Di ba? Kahit na hindi mo siya ibenta, naliligo ka naman, nagbabrush ka ng teeth, 'di ba? Nagva-vitamins, napaka-importante ng vitamins ngayon. 'Di ba? Kung lahat 'yan ginagamit mo, ibig sabihin hindi siya gastos. Lagi mo siyang ginagamit, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin, no, kung mamimili ka na din sa traditional business sa iFern, mag-iFern ka na lang, lalo na kung low capitalization ka. Bakit? Minimal investment, no? Low business risk and napakalaki ng income, 'di ba? Just imagine, no? Naglabas po kami ng tagdalawa kami na apply Carly, no? 73,000 each, no? Sa Philippine peso kasi 'yon, no? It's in Dubai 63,000. Okay? Ang kinita na po namin is almost 10 million. Okay? So, paki-type naman sa chat box kung sulit ba o sulit na sulit. Wala pa po yung mga rewards incentive na tinatawag natin, Rolex, no, kotse, 'di ba? Sulit po ba? Please type sulit in the chat box kung buhay pa kayo, gising pa. Ayan, no? 'Di ba? Sulit na sulit. Ayan, no? Parang isa lang yung nag-reply. How about the others? Are you still there? 12,000, no? Sulit na sulit. No? Thank you, si Sarah, no? Juliet and Upline Paco, 'di ba? No? So, again, no? Bakit iFern? Yan, no? Our company, no? Reputable. Is the company credible? Kung mamimili ka na din lang tong kumpanya, dapat ma-checkan tong 6 na to. iFern profile, check na check, no? Sir Tom Gabe, no, bilyonaryo. Okay? Yung ating company, no? Award-winning, registered lahat. 'Di ba? Our products, ayan, no, 5 times branding World Branding Award winner, no? Awarded sa London, England. 'Di ba? Sa Kensington Palace kung nasaan yung mga nakatira yung mga prinsipe, 'di ba? Ng UK. Ayan, no? Our price, no? Our prices are very affordable. Kayang-kaya lumaban sa market, 'di ba? Sobra, lalo pag member ka, napakatipid, 'di ba? Our plan, no? Ang marketing plan natin is very effective. Okay, ito lang nga tayong marketing plan na pro distributor. Okay? So grabe no, grabe yung ginawa ni Sir Tom na talagang gustong-gusto lang niyang tumulong. Okay? So Sir Tom ano, just to let you know is a billionaire and syempre pagka alam niyo na ang billionaire, madaming negosyo. Okay? So lahat ng negosyo niya kumikita. Okay? Except no, except iFern. No, bakit hindi kumikita yung iFern for Sir Tom? Kasi namimigay siya sa iFern. No, binibigay niya lahat ng income sa distributor, no? Kasi pro distributor po ang kumpanyang ito. Hindi na po siya para magpayaman pa sa iFern, no? Gusto na lang niya magpayaman na magpayaman. And I believe, no, gusto niya na magkaroon ng 1 million millionaires in iFern and kasama niya ako dito. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga I made already 12 millionaires, no? Grabe ang yabang ni Upline Marky, no? 12 millionaires and gusto ko pa magdagdag ng 12 more. No, saktong-sakto yung number, no? 12 dito na participants gusto ko na maidagdag kayo sa listahan ng Millionaires Club sa iFern. Ayan, 'di ba? Positioning. This is the best, no, para sa Dubai. This is the best. Bakit, no? You are the first, no? Kayo ang unang grupo sa Dubai, sa UAE, sa Bahrain. Ayan, no? Anong ibig sabihin, no? Dubai, UAE, Abu Dhabi is the gateway to the world. 'Di ba? Philippines, tapos UAE, tapos buong mundo na 'yan. Kayo yung access sa buong mundo. Ibig sabihin, no? If you position yourself right now in the Philippines, 'di ba? I mean in Dubai, in UAE, kayo ang sasakop ng buong mundo. 'Di ba? So again, no, this is the best time, no, to set up your account, no? Kung baka basic consumer package ka kapatid, no? Mag-premium business ka at least. And pag naka-premium business ka, mag-fam pack ka na. No? Kasi bakit? No? Gusto mo ba ikaw lang yung mayaman o gusto mo pati buong pamilya mo yumaman, no? Share lang ako ng konti diyan sa positioning, no? So, I joined iFern, okay? Yung asawa ko hindi pa nag-join. 'Di ba? So, matagal ko siyang kinonvince, no? Pero ang good news, na-convince ko din siya. No, so nag-join siya, premium business account. So dalawa kaming may premium business account at that time. Tapos saka pumasok si Upline Gladys, no? Saka pumasok si Upline MJ, 'di ba? Yung dalawang mini lady. Just imagine na lang guys, no? Kung hindi ko na ipasok yung account ng asawa ko, no? Yung 10 million na pinagmamayabang ko ngayon is only 5 million na lang. 'Di ba? Napaka-importante po ng family package. Okay, kung hindi ka pa naka-family package, kapatid, mag-family package ka na. 'Di ba? That's 5 million na loss, no? Yung 73,000 ko naging 5 million. Nagdagdag pa ako na another 73,000, naging another 5 million. So, 'di ba? Grabe yung sulit. Okay? And of course, no? Lastly, people, okay? People, no, is there a support system? Ayan, no? So, sa mga nandito since nag-start kami, no? And sawang-sawa na kayo sa pagmumukha namin, no? Sawang-sawa na kayo sa support namin. Ayan, no? So grabe, no? Grabe ang support system ng iFern. And I believe people in Dubai naranasan nyo na 2 beses pumunta si Sir Tom this month, no? I believe, no? Nung May. 'Di ba? Just imagine pupunta pa sila dyan para lang i-mentor ang bawat isa. So congratulations sa mga na-mentor and ramdam na ramdam nyo naman, no? Kung paano suporta ni Sir Tom ang negosyo natin. 'Di ba? So again, no, patapos na ako. A little bit of story time, 'di ba? So nung pumasok ako sa iFern, no, backstory, nung na-invite ako, isa po ako employee for 18 years, no? So 17th year, no, nung invite ako sa 17th year talaga, no. 17th year nung na-invite ako sa iFern. And syempre, no, isang empleyado, no, pangarap magnegosyo. No, gustong-gusto ko din magnegosyo. Kaso lang, hindi ako marunong magnegosyo. Bakit? All my life, 'di ba? All my life, I have been trained to be an employee. 18 years ba naman eh. No, magaling akong sumunod. Magaling akong mag-test ng system kasi IT ako eh, no? Kaya kong mag-code ng Excel, no? Kaya kong mag-pivot table kung alam niyo 'yun, no? So, again, doon ako magaling, no? Pero sa negosyo hindi. So nung sumali ako sa negosyong ito, ang tanong ko sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba? 'Di ba? Paano ba 'to? 'Di ba? Hindi ko linya 'to eh. Hindi ko naman linya yung gamot eh. Hindi naman ako doktor. Hindi naman ako marunong magbenta. Isa nga akong IT consultant. Napakamahiyain po ng IT consultant, no? Kung hindi ka mahiyain, nandito ka marunong ka kumausap ng tao, kayang-kaya mo tong negosyo na 'to. Kasi ako nung nagsimula, napakamahiyain. No? Tabihan mo ako 24 hours. Kahit na hindi mo ko tanongin, hinihintay mag-usap ng 24 hours, okay lang. No, ganun ka introvert ba yung tawag doon, no? Ganun ka introvert yung mga IT consultant, 'di ba? Ayan, no? So, grabe, no? So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba 'to? Pero ang nanaig no'n, ang nanaig sa mindset ko, yung mindset ko, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng extra income. Gusto ko ng extra income. Oh, 'di ba? So, instead, no, na sabihin kong hindi ko kaya or hindi ko naman 'to linya, sabi ko, pwede naman sigurong aralin. Okay? So, fast forward right now, yung nakikita niyong expert, no? Expert na yabang, no? Expert na magsalita, 'di ba? That's because, no, paulit-ulit ko lang ginagawa tong negosyong to. Paulit-ulit, 'di ba? And na-master ko siya ng konti. Ang good news, no, hindi pa ako sobrang galing. Madami pang mas magaling sa akin, no? Pero grabe naman, 'di ba? Kumita ka na ng 10 million, 'di ba? Hindi mo pa ba gagalingan? Hindi mo pa ba aaralin? Okay? So again, no, balik tayo, no? When I started, no, ang tanong ko sa sarili ko, kaya ko pa bang isingit? IT consultant ako eh. Empleyado ako eh. I work 8 to 10 hours a day. Night shift pa. So, ibig sabihin sa umaga, tulog ako. 'Di ba? So, again, no? Nanaig din naman sa isip ko, kailangan mo ba ng extra income, Marky? 'Di ba? Kailangan mo ba ng additional income? O gusto mo ba ng pamalit diyan sa employment mo? 'Di ba? Gusto mo ba ng pamalit diyan sa employment mo? And ang question sa mga OFW, pag kayo ba, 'di ba? Pag kayo ba nawalan ng kontrata, saan kayo pupulutin? 'Di ba? So again, no? Ganun lang 'yung nasa isip ko that time. Kailangan ko lang siyang idagdag yung oras. O kailangan ko lang i-prioritize to. So instead of namamahinga ako sa bahay, instead of nagde-Netflix ako, instead of naglalaro ako ng games, bakit hindi ko i-add, no, 2 to 3 hours a day? Na mag-iFern ako, kumausap ako ng tao, ganito lang, invite ko sa webinar, one-to-ones, 'di ba? And good news, no, yung 2 to 3 hours a day na nilaan ko, no, kahit na sobrang busy, 'di ba? Nagbunga ng 10 million. 'Di ba? So again, no, backstory, negative experiences, no? Nung sumali ako sa iFern, ang dami kong naririnig na chismis. Nung sumali ako sa network marketing, dami kong narinig chismis. Bro, seryoso ka ba dyan sa network marketing, no? Ang dami kong narinig na kwento dyan. Na nalugi sa negosyo. 'Di ba? Kasi, 'di ba, mga nag-invest lang, wala namang ginawa, 'di ba? Tapos nag-e-expect ng kapalit, no? So again, no, in iFern, hindi po tayo invest lang, hindi tayo investment lang. May gagawin po tayo, mag-i-invite. No? Mag-i-invite, ipapakilala ang negosyo, ikukwento, imamartes. Okay? Ang nakakatawa lang, no, ang nakakatawa lang sa mga tao na nagkikwento about negative experiences about network marketing, 'di ba? Sila pala yung mga tao na hindi naman pala talaga nag-join, 'di ba? Nakichismis lang, may mga marites lang na yung kapitbahay nila nalugi, no, dahil bumili ng ganitong package tapos hindi naman nabenta. Hindi nila alam, no, yung kapitbahay nila na nalugi, no, ininom niya pala yung lahat ng produkto, gumaling pala siya sa cancer niya. O, 'di ba? Lugi ba 'yun? Anong lugi mo? Gumaling ka sa cancer, no, nagka-baby ka, may PCOS ka, nawala. 'Di ba? Dati kang may gout, 'di ba? Nakakatakbo ka ng pabaliktad, 'di ba? Napanood niyo ba yung commercial ng Arthur? Ayan, 'di ba? So again, no, yung mga negative na mga tao, 'di ba? Dahil hindi nila trabaho. So, baka naman din, no, nakapag-network marketing na talaga and nag-fail ka na, 'di ba? Okay lang 'yan, kapatid. 'Di ba? Sino ba nga yung pinaglalaban mo? 'Di ba? Pagka ba nag-fail ka sa isang negosyo, susuko ka na lang ba sa buhay? 'Di ba? Laban lang ng laban. So, again, no, one more time, kapatid, laban lang, no? I-try mo si iFern, and ang good news, kami yung kasangga mo. Kami yung kabak to back mo sa negosyong ito. Hindi ka namin iiwan. 'Di ba? So saan na ba tayo, no? Pang 1, 2, 3, 4, money. Ayan, no, napakagandang topic nito, pera, no? Upline. Yes. Ayan, no? Upline, Marky, no? Sir Marky, wala akong pera. Wala akong pangpuhunan. 'Di ba? Pero gusto kong magka-income. 'Di ba? Kailangan mong tanongin yung sarili mo, gusto mo ba talaga ang kumita? 'Di ba? Kung gusto mong magnegosyo, kailangan mong mamuhunan. 'Di ba? Kailangan mong mamuhunan. Ang good news lang, kapatid, no? Ito ang negosyo na pwede mong i-credit card, no? Kaysa yung credit card mo ginagamit mo lang pagbili ng mga ano diyan, mga iPhone enthusiast, no? Every 1 year lumalabas ang bagong iPhone. Kaskas ka lang ng kaskas ng iPhone, 'di ba? Kaysa bumili ka ng iPhone this year, bakit hindi mo ibili ng iPhone package, no? Magkatunog ang iPhone tsaka iPhone, no? Pag nagti-TikTok ako tsaka inoto caption iPhone. Pag sinabi ko iPhone lumalabas. 'Di ba? So, bakit hindi mo i-cancel yung iPhone mo this year? Bakit di mo i-iPhone? 'Di ba? So again, no? Ang dami na po nating 6,300 na ginastos. 'Di ba? Ang dami na nating 6,300 na ginastos, wala namang bumalik. 'Di ba? Why not yung 6,300 na to, 'di ba? Maging 10 million pesos, no? 6,300 AED maging 10 million pesos, no? That's times 1,000. Tama ba yung calculation ko, mga taga UAE, 'di ba? Tama, 'di ba? Times 1,000. Yung 6,300 mo, gawin nating times 1,000. Scammer, 'di ba? Again, no? Mukha siyang scammer pag napakinggan nyo, pero nangyari siya sa akin. 'Di ba? So again, kung kailangan mo ng pera, kapatid, ang solusyon ay maglabas ka din ng pera. Dahil kung kailangan mo ng pera, hindi ka maglalabas ng pera, hindi ka magkakaroon ng pera. 'Di ba? Grabe, no? Mukha talagang pera, no? So again, no, kung wala ka pang kapital, good news, no? May credit card. And pangalawang good news, since nasa UAE tayo, may tabi-tabi po. 'Di ba may tabi? May installment, 'di ba? Pwede mong simulan yung negosyo using tabi. 'Di ba? And of course, no? Ayan na, patapos na tayo. Now, no? The best time is now. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mong simulan yung negosyo, the best time is now. Kung gusto mong mag-family package, the best time is now. Hindi bukas. No? Kasi bakit? Hindi po natin alam kung hanggang kailan tayo mabubuhay sa mundong ito. Tama ba? 'Di ba? Kung may mga nakakilala dyan kay Kobe Bryant, idol ko po yun, no? Si Kobe Bryant, 'di ba? He was at the peak of his career, kaka-retire niya lang, and ang dami niya pang pwedeng gawin sa buhay niya. Pero dahil sumakay siya sa helicopter, 'di ba? On that fated day, nawala siya sa mundo. So just imagine, no, right now, kapatid, gusto ko imaginein mo, kung nawala ka ba sa mundong ito right now, anong ipapamana mo sa pamilya mo? 'Di ba? Ang good news, no, sa negosyong ito, may isang tao na tinatawag, ang pangalan niya Pinky Nones. Trinabaho niya sa iFern ng I believe 3 to 4 years, no, in that span. And ang masaklap, no, kinuha siya ni Lord, which is hindi naman natin control. Ang silver lining niya, ang good news, no, may isa po siyang anak, no, si Christian Stellar Tapia Nones, is kumikita po ng 1 million a month right now dahil sa hard work ng kanyang nanay. 'Di ba? So again, no, kung masipag ka din lang naman, and I am 100% sure, actually 200% sure ako na lahat ng tao nandito sa Zoom na tumasipag. Bakit? OFW ka eh. Wala pong tamad na OFW. 'Di ba? Napakalungkot maging OFW, tama ba? Please type 7 if you agree. No, mahirap maging OFW. No, pero dahil mahal mo yung pamilya mo, ginagawa mo ang lahat. So ibig sabihin masipag ka. Yung good news sa iFern po, no? Ilagay mo lang yung sipag mo sa iFern, and I am sure, no, lahat ng sipag mo papalitan ni iFern ng milyon. 'Di ba? So again, no, iFerntastic morning. Salamat sa mga nakinig, no? And I pray and I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng value sa time na binigay nyo. So thank you po for your time, and I believe, no, that you are here for a reason, no? You are here because yayaman ka sa iFern, no? Kaya kapatid, no, wag mo nang patumpik-tumpik gawin yung negosyo, no? Kung bago ka pa lang, hatawin natin, no? Kung matagal ka na, hatawin pa din natin kasi madami pang milyon ang ibibigay ni iFern. So iFerntastic morning, thank you. And magkita-kita po ulit tayo bukas. Ayan, magkita-kita po ulit tayo bukas. No, dahil may new set of speakers tayo, no? So, kung may questions kayo, no, i-type nyo lang sa chat box or i-chat nyo lang kami and we will answer all your questions. Ayan. So, iFerntastic morning sa lahat, and Congratulations. Yay.
Mag-picture po tayo.
Yes, picture tayo. Yan, no? Pwede kayo mag-unmute, no? So, Upline Carly, picture tayo, mga speakers and other participants. Ayan. Dalawang picture para pati participants. Isa pa. Wait lang. On ko lang yung aking screenshot. Ayan. Hi, friend sign. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan. Isa pa, wait lang. Para lahat tayo meron. Ipapalitan ko lang yung view. Ups. Ayan, wait lang ha, wait lang. Kapit lang mga kapatid. Palitan ko lang yung view. Ayan, gallery view. Para lahat tayo. Hey, friend sign. One last time. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, congratulations sa lahat. Magkita-kita pa ulit tayo. And
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Good
Thank you,
night.
guys. Good night. Juliet, Gloria, usap tayo. Bye.
Sure po.
Nawala ata si Juliet.
Umalis na si Julia. Message ko po.
Tsaka si Joanna nawala. Ano, wala rin pa. Ano si Martin?
Sir Mark, inawala
Maglagi na
si-
lang tayo ulit.
Ay, sige po.
Lagi na lang tayo ulit. Sige, bye-bye!
Okay. Bye.